Okay, so good day. So our next lesson is about the algebraic functions under of Unit 2. By definition, algebraic functions, a function f from a to b is a relation from a to b where to each a is an element of set A. There corresponds exactly one small b which is an element of big B such that the ordered pair of A comma B is an element of a function f. A function can also be defined as a set of ordered pairs in which no two ordered pairs have the same first component. Ayun yung criteria, no? So, ang command or ang order, masasabi lang natin na function yung isang relation kung wala siyang two ordered pairs have the same first component. If x comma y is an element of function, say small f, we write y equals to f of x, read as the y is the function value of f at x. Thus, x comma f of x corresponds to a point on the graph of the function f. For example, we have the following relations. Small r1 equals to the set of all ordered pairs 1 comma 2, 6 comma 8, 4 comma 5, and 3 comma 7. And r sub 2, which is the set of negative 3 comma 0, 3 comma negative 4, 0.6 comma 2, 3/4 comma 5 over 6. And r sub 3, which is the set of order pair x comma y such that y is equals to 2x minus 6. R sub 4 is the set of order pair x comma y such that y is equals to x squared plus 1 are functions, but R sub 5, which is x comma y such that y less than or y greater than x minus 4 is not. So dito sa ating mga example, we declare that R sub 3, which is the set of or R sub 3 of x is equals to 2x minus 6, and R sub 4 of x is equals to x squared plus 1. So yung 1 to 4 natin, small r1, that is a function. Small r sub 2 is also function. Small r sub 3 is a function. R sub 4 is also a function. So, ang hindi lang function dito sa ating mga example ay r sub 5. Okay? Then, we can rewrite the r sub 3 as r sub 3 of x equals to x minus 6. Also, r sub 4 of x is x squared plus 1. Okay, baba lang natin ang konti. continuation. Since a function requires a unique value of the dependent variable for every value of the independent variable, it is easy to check if the graph of the equation is a function or not. We are going to draw a vertical line on the graph, and if it is intersects in most one point, then it is a function. This is called the vertical line test. So kapag ang ating given function ay in a graph form, so ang pwede natin gamitin doon ay vertical line test. So kapag nag-vertical line test tayo doon sa ating given graph, so kung meron mang more than one intersection within the graph, so it declares that it's not a function. So kailangan lang ang kanya maging intersection ay one and only one. Okay, for example, bigyan ko ng example. Let's say ito yung ating Cartesian plane. So ito yung y-axis, ito naman yung x-axis. So kung meron tayong given graph, let's say ito yung ating given function or given graph. So pag nag-test tayo using vertical line test, yan, vertical line test, so kailangan meron na siyang intersection. So yung nakikita nyo ngayon, that graph is a what we call function. Okay. So another thing, kung meron namang isa pang graph, okay, y-axis, x-axis, then maglagay tayo ng graph. Let's say ganito naman yung kanyang graph. Yan. Then kapag meron tayong intersection or vertical line test, ito yung vertical line test. So meron siyang two intersection, ito yung isa, ito yung isa. So the black curve, we declare that it is not a function. Not function. Kasi nga, meron siyang dalawang intersection. Itong dalawang to. Ito yung kanyang intersection. Okay? So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng vertical line test natin. Given the graph relation, if any vertical line constructed intersects or passes the graph in a most one point, then the relation described by graph is not a function. Ito yung gaya ng sample natin kanina. Yan. So, yung ating relation na nakikita nyo, yung curve 1 dun sa ating Cartesian plane, nung nilagyan natin ng vertical line test, so, at most one point ang kanyang naging intersection. Dalawa kasi ang intersection nyo. Ito yung isang intersection, ito yung pangalawa. Yan. Kaya, itong ating blue or black curve ay declare as not function. It is only a relation. Okay, example. The equation of the circle x squared plus y squared equals 9 does not define a function. Tingnan natin kung ba't di siya nag-define as a function. Okay, sketch natin. Sabi ng ating given equation, x squared plus y squared equals to 9. That is a circle. Ibig sabihin, ang kanyang radius ay 3. Gawa tayo ng Cartesian plane. Y-axis, x-axis. So, ang kanyang radius ay 3 because of 9. R squared equals to 9. R squared equals to 9, and that is R equals to 3. Radius 3. So, 3 units. Kuha lang tayo ng 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 3 positive x. 3 positive y. 3 negative x. 3 negative y. So, yun yung ating circle. So, ang circle natin, nandito ang ating circle. Connect lang natin yung mga 3, 3, 3. Yan. So, that is a circle which the equation is x squared plus y squared equals 9. So, pag nagkaroon tayo ng vertical line test, magiging more than 1 yung intersection. This one and this one. So, therefore, this equation, this algebraic equation is not a function. Not function. So, ginamit natin yung vertical line test. Ito yung tinatawag natin yung vertical line test. Ito mismo, itong part na to. Yun yung use of vertical line test. Okay? Time to tick. Determine if the correspondence is a function. So, meron tayong dalawa dito sa ating example, yung gumagamit ng tinatawag nating by mapping. So, yung letter A, we observe that 6 in the blue group corresponds with 8, also corresponds to 12. Ganun din ang 16, 9 corresponds to 16, 12 corresponds to 16, and 15 corresponds to 16. So at this time, we say that it is not a function. So hindi siya magiging function kasi sabi ng ating requirements, dapat meron lang siyang exactly one component on the x. So ito ay not function. Yan, not function. Then yung ating b naman, check natin. Okay, yung 2 ay corresponds sa only 10. Ganun din ang 3 corresponds to only 10. The rest ganun din. So, yung letter B natin, that example is a function. Yan. Function ang letter B. Kasi, yung 2 and 3, meron lang silang exactly one correspondence or one corresponds to the component of second group. Yan. Okay, so yun yung pagkakaiba. Unlike dito sa letter A, yung 6, nagdalawa siya ng component dun sa next group. Gaya ng 6, 8, 6, 12. So, kaya yun yung nagsabi na magdideclare na siya ay not function. Dito naman sa letter B, wala namang ganong situation. Ang meron lang 2, 10, 3, 10. And that is defined also as a function. Okay? Next, for number 2, the following data were collected from members of a college pre-calculus class. Is the set of order pair x, y a function? Okay, check natin ha. So, dun sa ating column, first column, meron tayong 77 inches, 65 inches, 65 inches, 68 inches, 75 inches. So, sa kabila naman, makapasin nyo yung x column natin, meron siyang na umulit yung 65 and 65. 65 corresponds to 209 or 209 pounds. 65 inches corresponds to 125 pounds. So, therefore, it is not a function. Not function. Kasi pwede natin sabihin na yung 65 to 209, 65 to 125. So that is one to many relation. And one to many relation is not a function. Okay? Next, number 2, letter B. The following data were collected from members of a college pre-calculus. So, ito yung ating order pair. The column X is the age and the column Y is the ID number. For 20 corresponds to 82, 4090, 22, 80, 133, 42, 66, 82, 95, 23, 60, 64, 9110, 25, 20, 6666. So, mapapansin natin, wala namang umulit. Since ang pinag-uusapan naman dito ay ages and its corresponding ID number. Therefore, it is a function. It is a function. So, meron siyang 1-to-1 relation. So, it is a function. 1-to-1 relation. So, 1-to-1 relation and it is a function. Next, number 2, letter C. The following data, again, that is same example pero under na siya letter C. So, sa ating column X, year of graduation, 2006, that is for number of graduates. 2007, 15, number of graduates. 2008, 21 graduates. 2009, 10. 2010, 2. So, kapag tingnan natin, ang magiging ano niya, that is 1 to many, no? Kasi yung 4 numbers niya. Pero X and Y, hindi naman yan. So, year of graduation. So, yung data naman, nagsasabi, wala namang umulit na ano, no? Walang same number ng graduate. Ibig sabihin, number ng graduation. So, it is a function, 1-to-1 function. It is a 1-to-1 function. One-to-one function. Okay? Next. So, an equation x, y define a relation which may or may not be a function. Decide whether the relation consisting of all order pairs of real numbers x, y satisfy the given condition is a function. For letter A, we have y equals x squared plus 1. It is a function. It is a function. Letter B, x equals y squared plus 1. It is not. Okay, verify natin yan kung bakit siya naging not. So, yung letter B natin, letter B, ang nakalagay ay x equals y squared plus 1. So, pag naglagay tayo ng lagay natin table xy, kapag naglagay ako ng value ng y dito, so pag naglagay ng value ng y 1, so pag yung y mo ay 1 plus 1 ay 2 yung x, no? If 1 is y, then x is 2. Kapag naman nag-negative 1 yung ating y, ganun pa rin, magiging 2 pa din yung ating x. So pag nilagay mo siya sa graph, diba? Ito pala sa table, kita mo na meron siyang 1 to many. 1 to many. So, pag nilagay mo naman sa graph, magiging 2, 1. First point natin, 2, 1. Then, yung second point ay 2, negative 1. Ayan. So, naka-vertical na agad yung dalawa. Dalawa na agad. Pag nilagay mo vertical line test, dalawa na agad yung intersection. So, therefore, letter B is not a function. Not function. Next, letter C, obviously it is not a function because of inequality symbol. Okay, that is inequality relation, not a function. Not. And letter D, it is a function and it is one-to-one or it is a linear. Letter D is a function. Okay, again, repeat natin. Letter A is a function, letter B is not a function, letter C not function, and letter D is a function. Next, number 4. In everyday life, we encounter many relations which may or may not be defined as a function. For example, we match up people with their telephone numbers. Baseball players with their batting averages, or married men with their wives. Thus, this last corresponds define a function. So, yung tingnan natin. Itong telephone numbers, di ba? People with their telephone numbers, that is a function. Pero pwedeng hindi rin maging not function kasi mayroong mga tao na marami siyang telephone number. Pwedeng more than one telephone number. Okay, pwede rin, no? So, people with their telephone numbers is not a function. Baseball player with their batting average. It's a function. Married men and their wives. Not a function. In a society in which married man has exactly one wife is a rule of function. But in a polygamous society, the rule is not a function. Okay? Yan. So, kaya, pwedeng, sa ibang, kapag, yung, itong married men with their wives, so, kung meron lang siyang married man, tapos exactly one wife, so, that's a function, 1-to-1. Pero yung mga polygamous society, it's not a function. Okay, again, letter A, X is the daughter of Y. X and Y are women. X is the taller than Y. X and Y are people in the Philippines. X has received dental treatment from Y. X and Y are millionaires. X is a digit 0 to 9 on a telephone dial and Y is corresponds sa letter. Okay, so dito, dideclare lang natin kung ito ba ay mga function or not. Which of the following relation is a function? So, letter A, X is the daughter of Y. X and Y are women. Correct, no? Si X ay daughter ng Y. Okay, pwede. So, that is a 1-to-1. So, it is a function. O, yun. Letter A natin, that is a function. Letter B. X is taller than Y. X is taller than Y. Also, it is a function. Letter C. X has received dental treatment from Y. X and Y are millionaire. Not a function. Kasi di ba hindi lang naman ang millionaire ang pwedeng makapag-dental treatment. Pwede rin yung average people. So, not a function. X is a digit from 0 to 9 on a telephone dial and Y is corresponding letter. So, it is a function. Kasi diba 0 to 9 meron siyang corresponds letter. Every digit. So, 1-to-1. 0 corresponds to a letter, then also 1, 2, 3, up to 9. So, it is a function. Since a function is a relation, all the properties we know about relation hold. Thus, finding the domain, range, intercepts, symmetries, and finding points of the function are the same as those for a relation. The only difference now is that while we denote a relation by f of order pair x comma y is equals to 0, a function is denoted as y is equals to f of x. This is possible since the function f assigns to x one and only one y. The nature of f will determine if additional properties are needed to sketch the graph. Moreover, f can have as many as n greater than 1 variables, in which case we say that f is a function of n variables. Two main types of a function: algebraic functions, those functions that can be obtained by a finite combination of constants and variables together with the four basic operations: exponentiations or roots extractions. And other one is the transcendental functions. Those that are not algebraic usually involve exponentials, logarithmics, circular, and inverse circular functions. Yan. So, dun nabubuo yung dalawang algebraic function. Yung isa ay two types of function, algebraic function and transcendental functions. The algebraic functions are either polynomial, rational, or radical, depending on the type of algebraic expression of f of x in the equation of y equals to f of x. Okay, so end muna tayo doon, no? So, end muna tayo dito sa part na to.